Daisy. Get the pictures I sent you?
Yep.
I looked at the videos, and the videos I have to edit. They're very poor quality.
Oh, I thought you were going to say they had a little too much visual for... I don't know if you took video while I was, pushing or something.
No, it's not that. It's all of her. But, I got video footage though, but like I said, it's just very poor quality. I edited it, it'll look a lot better. Hey, Daisy. Hey. Come here. You will come here, Daddy? Well, come here. Well, come here. Well, come on, baby. Daddy's girl, right here. That's right. It's Daddy's baby, ain't it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See there? Yeah, you. Pull that shirt down. You. See that? Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
My little 11-month-old.
Get her, Daisy.
Look at you.
Get her. Get her. Monkey, I gotta tickle her. Is that Daddy's baby? Get her. Get her. Get her. I tickle his baby.
We didn't tell Daddy about our screaming fit we did. Get that baby. Yesterday we had a screaming contest.
Is that what we had?
Yeah. Do you remember that, Daisy?
A screaming contest?
Something shiny.
You'll climb up me. Get you it. So you win. Oh,
We did that for such a long time last night.
that's the girl, ain't it? Oh, your daddy's loving you know that.
Say hi. Say hi, everybody. I want to get the camera. Make your happy sounds.
Here, take that youngin.
What are you doing?
Daisy.
You gonna pat me? Pat, pat, pat my mama now. Pat, pat, pat my mama now. You gotta get daddy. Do it. That's it. I'm gonna tickle you. I gotta tickle you because I can. Yes, I am. Something funny? Is something funny? Is something funny? What are you doing? Whoosh. 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 What is that? What is it? You're gonna pull those feathers out, aren't you? Watch this now. So you want to see what you did? You made the light on. Yeah. Look at all that. All those things are happening. Say hi. Whoosh. Ain't that my big old baby? Give me that. I'll go find out. Oh.